Trundle's just looking ahead now to Saturday's Welsh Cup fourth round. It must be a game you and the rest of the Llanelli squad are really looking forward to.
It's a massive game for us, you know, especially to go and play TNS, which for me are the best team by a mile in the Premier League. So to come up against us in League Two, you know, we know we're massive underdogs. It's going to be a really tough test for us, but it's a cup game where you've just got to go out and enjoy it. With the team that TNS have got on the full time, you know, I think that's a massive factor. You know, if you can work on stuff every single day and you play with these lads day in, day out, and it's your job, you know, they've got a massive advantage, especially with their pitch as well on the 3G. So you'd probably look at everything is against us, but as you say in football, you never know what could happen. You know, they were the best team in the league and they've been the best team for many years. You know, to go on the run that they've gone on this year is unbelievable. They've won a cup as well last week. So they've already got some silverware in the trophy cabinet. So, you know, it's going to be a real tough test for us. So we're going in full of confidence. You know, we haven't been beat this season, as you say. We had a massive game on Saturday against the, should say, title rivals and won that comfortably 4-0. So we're going in there confident. Obviously, if you was a betting man, you would go TNS. But, you know, as you say, in cup games, you never know what can happen on the day. And, you know, we'll go there and give a good account of ourselves and we'll see what happens at the end.
And for you personally, you're having a great season. You score goals wherever you've been in your career and you're doing exactly the same again this season. Yeah,
I've scored 30 in 15 games. So, you know, for me, it's a great tally. I've scored in every game I've played in this season. So it's going to be another tough test on Saturday, but it's one I'm looking forward to. You know, I believe if I get a chance in a game, I'll score a goal. You know, I think that the team spirit that we've got there is really good. We've got some really good young players as well, and you know, that's why we're going into Saturday's game, you know, believing that, you know, something could happen.
You've had some pedigree in the FA Cup with Swansea as well when you were in the days of the Vetch field as well.
Yeah, I've had some good games in the FA Cup. I went through one where I scored in every round that I played in. Also got in the FA Cup Team of the Year that year and was invited to the final. So I've had some memorable days in the FA Cup which will stick with me forever. I love playing football. You know, I spent an early part of my career in the Welsh League with Rill, and that was what gave me platform to go on to sign for Wrexham. So if I wasn't probably at Rill, I wouldn't have got that move. So for me, the league, you know, I owe the league a lot to my career. As for being with Llanelli, you know, as I said, it's a great bunch of lads, and you know, if you love playing football and you love scoring goals, you know, you're always going to be happy.
You'd like to cap the season with promotion, I would imagine, with Llanelli.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for. You know, it's no secret. I think the way we've started off the season, going unbeaten, and we want to try and carry that on till the end of the season. But you know, there's 3 places up for grabs in this league. So, you know, with the team that we've got and the squad we've got, I'm confident that we would be one of them 3 teams.
And next season, you're going to stick around and keep playing?
Yeah, obviously if my job and everything stays the same at Swansea and I've got the time and the club allow me the time to go and play, you know, I'll definitely do it. For me, I love playing football, and the only time I'll stop is when my legs can't move anymore or I stop scoring goals. So for now, you know, I'll just keep enjoying it.